Hello everybody, my name is Andres. I am a PC enthusiast and the designer of the ExoCool Chillbox, which is a PC case that makes it possible to use sub-ambient cooling without having to worry about condensation, which has so far been the fatal issue of using sub-zero temperatures as an everyday solution. This is all achieved by making a completely airtight casing for the motherboard, which is strong enough to hold pressure, and then installing the other components outside the airtight department so a water chiller can be hooked up to the radiator and the components in the airtight casing to safely lower the temperature substantially below ambient. Inside the airtight casing there is a triple 120mm liquid cooling radiator and three 120mm fans to cool the internal air of the case and maintain airflow to minimize the risk of condensation at extreme low temperatures. As no additional air can get into the airtight department, there is not enough moisture in the internal air to condensate. In addition to that, pressure drop in the case will increase evaporation. No component insulation is required. There are two brackets for mounting 5¼ inch, 3½ inch and 2½ inch drives. Each bracket can support either two 5¼ inch drives, 4 3½ inch drives or 10 2½ inch drives. In addition to that, there is support for two PC power supplies. Access to the upper department is toolless, as well as the installation of storage drives and power supplies. Liquid cooling tubes, power and data cables are all directed from the inside of the case through the high quality insulation to either the back of the case or into the upper department. Each cable is numbered on both sides to ensure easy installation. The case panels are all made of 2mm thick stainless steel, component mounts from 1mm thick stainless steel, and the final product is going to be painted black in order to be neutral and suit as many build themes as possible. With a chill box you can use aquarium water chillers, Peltier water chillers, extreme custom-made liquid chillers, or you can even route the tubing through a wall, put the radiator outside and enjoy sub-zero temperatures during the winter. You can also use all of those solutions combined. With a chill box, the possibilities are endless and limited only by your imagination. There have only been minor improvements in the high-end PC cooling industry during the past decade. Now it is your chance to make a difference by backing this project, and let's bring the chill box and other innovative technologies to the enthusiasts and overclockers around the world. Thank you.